Hi, I'm Steve Owens. I work at Bennett Dunlop Ford. I'm one of the senior sales managers here. And I like to think that we're world famous. Over the last 26 years of my time at the store, I've had several people come in and ask me how you can actually purchase a vehicle. So there's 3 different ways. One is simply cash, money that you've saved up. 2 is you can finance it traditionally through a bank, or 3 is you can lease the vehicle. Finance is you walk in, you buy the vehicle, you add taxes on top of that. We would end up getting financing through some sort of a lending institution or a bank, and you'd have a monthly payment. At the end of whatever that term is that you agreed upon, that vehicle becomes yours free and clear. Leasing a vehicle. In the case of a lease, the client would come in and it would be really no different than the first thing that I talked about, which is the finance. The difference is at the end of a lease term, which is typically a lot shorter than that of a finance term, you have an option to either buy the vehicle out at an agreed upon price, or you can give the vehicle back and then you just get yourself into a new lease. This has a couple of benefits. First of all, it's a much shorter term. Lots of our clients will be on a 36 to a 48 month trade cycle. There's a large percentage of our clients that walk in at the end of the lease term thinking that they're going to buy the vehicle out, when they realize that at that point the vehicle's really not worth what the buyout is, so it's just simpler to give the vehicle back. And then they get into a new vehicle. Benefits this. Number 1, if you're in a 36 month term, you're always under factory warranty. You never have to worry about buying extended warranty. You don't have to worry about bringing in for repairs. It's really just gas maintenance, and you make your payment. Your tax savings. In the case of a finance, you pay all your taxes up front. The government needs their money. In the case of a lease, you actually only pay tax on your monthly payment, which is beneficial because now the government, you're deferring the money that you're actually paying to our government. I've had lots of clients that have come in saying that they can't lease. The reason they can't lease is because they put on too many kilometers on the cars that they drive. Actually, it's the opposite of that. If you're driving a lot of kilometers, you actually should be in a lease. You can tier the lease based on the kilometers that you're driving. One of the common questions that we get is, can you lease just new vehicles or can you lease a used vehicle as well? There is lease options for used vehicles. It does have to be within 3 current model years. Are the vehicles customizable? You want to put a lift kit on it, can you actually do that? Yes, you can do that. The vehicle does have to go back if you choose not to purchase it out with whatever customized options you put on it. If you're planning on purchasing a new vehicle and you're looking at leasing it, one of the questions that you should ask yourself is, what is my trade cycle? Do I plan on trading it in 3 years? Do I plan on trading it in 7 years? If you plan on being in a 3 or 4 year trade cycle, there really is no other option except to go with a lease. I truly believe that. If you have any questions in regards to either leasing, purchasing, or financing a vehicle, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone and give me a call, or come down and visit me at Bennett Dunlop. I've always got hot coffee on.